Why does your scanner show the P0491 engine code? What does it mean? P0491 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system insufficient flow bank 1. This engine code indicates that the system is designed to inject air into the exhaust system during cold starts to help the catalytic converter reach operating temperature more quickly, thus reducing emissions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Secondary air injection system components. Clogged or blocked components. Electrical issues. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, and potentially others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.